Hello students, good evening. As I told you in last class, today we will start basic maths which is very much required for physics. In this series, first of all we will start coordinate geometry. Let's define what is coordinate geometry. Till class 10 we have seen some geometry that is called Euclid's geometry. Now we will see geometry, that Euclid geometry, by using algebra. That means Euclid geometry plus algebra equal to coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry has various applications in almost every chapters of physics, especially graph related concepts. So today we will learn how to plot a straight line, because a straight line is simplest one graph. So we'll start with this straight line, how to plot a straight line. Now first question arises, how one can plot a straight line. By past knowledge, one can easily draw a straight line by tabular form. But today we'll see some new approach which will be very fast and smart. So let's start how to plot a straight line. As we know that for plotting a straight line we need exactly 2 points, not more, not less. If you have more than 2, like 3 or 4, it has no meaning as far as concerned plotting the line. And suppose we have single point, then from that point, as we know that from past knowledge, there can be infinite line which can passes through same points. So if we have single point, we can't draw unique line. So for plotting unique line, we must have exactly 2 points, not more, not less. Now question arises, how one can find 2 points? We will take these 2 points a standard point. Means, what does it mean a standard? Suppose in our country so many peoples are there, we can't know each and every people, but we must know some we must know about some standard people like prime minister, president, etc. So here what is a standard point? Here a standard point is the point of intersection of line with x-axis and point of intersection of line with y-axis. So let's understand how one can find point of intersection with x-axis. Before this, now question arises, when graph will be a straight line. Whenever we have linear relation, then we must have a straight line graph. Each of us know if variable has exponent 1, then we say that we have linear relation. Example, x plus y is equal to 5. First of all, we identify variables. Here we have variables, namely x and y, and each has exponent 1. So it's a linear relation. And if we have linear relation, their graph must be a straight line. Now I am going to explain how one can find point of intersection with x-axis. It holds for all type of curves, not only for a straight line. For finding point of intersection with x-axis, we simply put y is equal to 0 in given equation. Suppose we have equation x plus y is equal to 5, so I am going to put y is equal to 0 in given equation, then we have x is equal to 5 and point has coordinate 5 comma 0. So line will intersect at 5 comma 0. In similar fashion, one can find point of intersection with y-axis by putting x is equal to 0. So let's substitute x is equal to 0 in original equation. In that case, 0 plus y is equal to 5. So we have y is equal to 5 and coordinate of point will be 0 comma 5. So simply, now we will join these 2 points and we will have a straight line. Okay. So it is very much easier approach, and these 2 points are called standard point. How it comes in mind, as we know that for plotting a straight line we need exactly 2 points. Now one can think, suppose we have line that is neither parallel to x and not parallel to y. So this line must intersect somewhere on x-axis and somewhere on y-axis. For finding point of intersection with x-axis, we put y is equal to 0. Now question arises, why so? It's very simple, because on x-axis y coordinate becomes 0. So this simple concept we are going to use. It's a natural. In similar fashion, the point which lies on y-axis, its x coordinate must be 0. We know from past knowledge. Okay, so it is very much easier. And these 2 points now one can locate. Once we locate these 2 points, one will lies on x-axis and another will lies on y-axis. Simply we will join these 2 points and we will have a straight line. So this is the best way or a smart way to plot the line. Now and onwards we will use these techniques. Forget previous method which you was learned at class 9 or 10. Okay, so now and onwards we will use this. Okay, once you plot the lines, the simple line, now we will classify types of lines. Some lines will be parallel to y-axis. In that case, what will be equation of lines? Sometimes we will have lines parallel to x-axis. In that case, we will write equation of that line. Sometimes we need to write equation of x-axis and y-axis itself. Now I am going to explain equation of x-axis. If somebody asks what is equation of x-axis, it's very simple. As we know that on x-axis y coordinate is 0, so its equation will be y is equal to 0. In similar fashion, equation of y-axis will be x equal to 0, because each and every point which lies on y-axis, its x coordinate must be 0. So equation of line will be x is equal to 0. Okay. Now next type is, suppose I want to find equation of line which is parallel to x-axis. Suppose if you draw the line parallel to x-axis, we see that each and every point which lies on lines which is parallel to x-axis has same distance from x-axis. So their y coordinate must be same for all points which lies on line parallel to x-axis. So equation must be y is equal to constant, because height is same everywhere. Everywhere height is same from x-axis. In similar fashion, equation of lines parallel to y-axis must be x is equal to constant, because in this case we have a vertical line and one move on this line, x coordinate remains same, only y coordinate gets changed. So in this case we have x is equal to constant. So in next class we will continue. for today this much only. In beginning we will learn slowly. Once we have some basic knowledge, once you acquire some basic knowledge, gradually we will increase our time interval and speed also. So in beginning, you must learn slowly, such that your each fundamental concepts get crystal clear. Okay, thanks.